Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to show how to add Max Mega Menu on WordPress. So let's start the video. First you need to go plugin option, then you click on add new. From here you can upload Mega Menu or you can search here, search plugin option, click on popular and then Max. Yeah, you can see Max Mega Menu here. From here we can see two Max Mega Menu, but here you also see the rating option. This one is most used and ratings also high. Then click on Max Mega Menu, install now. Now active. Plugin also activated. Then from appearance, go to customize option or menu option. You can see here Max Mega Menu. Our Max Mega Menu also installed and showing the menu option. So if you found this video pretty helpful, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.